Hey guys, it's Roger. I want to introduce you to the Caldwell plan from Eastwood Homes. I found this not long ago. I was out in the Indian Trail area and just shooting a neighborhood out there for Eastwood. Really great values out there. This house, I can't believe it. I re-looked at it this morning, still on the market for only $329K. That is an amazing price for a house that's over 2,600 square feet and a ranch and a half at that. So it's a 1.5 story, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, formal dining room there. The reason I came back on this morning, I had one of my folks that is coming to town to purchase a new home. I set her up on a drip campaign, basically to look at new homes, see what's available, and when new listings come on the market, then she gets an email and says, hey, here's some new ones, just came on the market, etc. So she had marked one from Eastwood, which was a Caldwell plan, but it was a ranch without the upstairs. So now this is what we call a split ranch. 2 bedrooms and a full bath off to this one wing, split away from the master bedroom. 3 bedrooms on the main floor, 2 full baths on the main floor. And by the way, this flooring, Eastwood was the first one I saw using this. It is gorgeous. It's basically a luxury vinyl plank type product that's better than hardwood, engineered hardwoods, and for my money, because again, I've got dogs, and so it's better for the dogs in terms of showing wear and tear. So many of the builders are using the engineered hardwoods today. I think this is a great alternative and great pricing. So look at this kitchen, guys. Beautiful, huh? I mean, to get in this price point and to have everything that this Caldwell plan has is pretty mind-blowing. Now, this particular one out on Indian Trail, it's available today still. It's got a covered back rear deck, and I think that is amazing. Obviously, you could screen that pretty easily. Big, full, wide open, great room, fireplace, ceiling fan, great looking countertops and the contemporary gray cabinets. So you've got over 2,000 square feet on the main level and almost 600 upstairs. So you're total about 2,600. Cooking with gas, baby. So here's where I was going with that. So this young lady asked me to start sending her homes that would fit her criteria. And when she mentioned, there's the upstairs. And then you've got the master back here. Again, ceiling fan tray. So what's cool is you need to subscribe. That's my point. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the little bell, the notification, so you get new videos as they come out. And as you can see, I'm a prolific YouTube creator and real estate buyer's agent here in Charlotte. Now see, this has got a tub and a shower, and you see that tile surround. This is a cool house. Contemporary, these undermount sinks, the rectangular ones, very cool, and big closet there in the back. This way you will keep up to date with new stuff that's happening. I'm really like a journalist in a way. I'm journaling with video, new construction homes for sale in Charlotte and Fort Mill and here in Indian Trail. There's entrance from the garage there and a good sized laundry room. So you come in, bam, put your Costco, Sam's Club stuff on shelves in there. Now the upstairs, why is this cool? Because you may have your grandkids come and visit and you'll get tired of them at the end of the day and they'll get tired of grandma and grandpa. So if they've got a nice big loft that they could come up to and hang out in, or if you've got a returning college grad or, this is just great space. It could be a caregiver 20 years from now. So in other words, you're attracted to a ranch home for reasons that we all are, to avoid stairs. And so you'd say, why do I need stairs? Well, first of all, if you can buy this Caldwell plan, and this particular one is on the market today for $329, and you got a full bedroom and a bath upstairs, why wouldn't you want it? So give me a call, 704-345-3400, reference Eastwood Homes, the Caldwell plan. I can't wait to talk to you soon.